So it's mid-September 2020 and we purchased this property here north of Niles in late February, early March, and due to COVID we're way behind, but we have some rules when we look for flip properties or properties we're gonna use as rentals, and this property we broke every one. We're always looking for 3 out of 4 parts of the structure to be good. We're looking for either good windows, good roof, good siding, and a good foundation, and this one needs new siding. The windows that we just replaced earlier this summer, the roof had a part that was bad, we had to repair, and the foundation was the only 1 out of the 4, and normally we like to try to find things with 3 out of the 4. So this has been quite a big project. We knew what we were getting into when we got into it. The market's been so crazy in our area that we had limited choices when looking for a work project. So this deck's coming along. Got another day on it probably, if I can find materials. It's been hard getting treated lumber right now. Everybody's building decks because they have to stay home, they can't travel. So it's been hard finding treated lumber anywhere, and when you do find it, prices are quite more than what you expect. So once this is down and get a railing, and then we need to work on a stairwell that's going to go off this way towards the new driveway we put in with that gravel. So hey, keep in touch, and if you have any questions about house flipping, put them in the comments below, and we can talk about them in a future episode. Hey, thanks for watching.